How to use TITEBOND 3 Ultimate Wood Glue. I am going to be using it on a piece of trim in our kitchen. I've brad nailed it on twice, but it keeps getting popped off between the kids, the wife, and the dog. I just can't keep that thing on there. So I'm going to glue it this time. Love this product. It works good for projects like this. It's waterproof and you can use it interior and exterior. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean it real good because your surface preparation is the most critical part. It's important to remember you got to clean both pieces, whatever you're gluing and whatever you're gluing it to. I will post a link in the description of where you can get your own TITEBOND 3 Ultimate Wood Glue. Next, I'm going to apply a generous amount of wood glue right down the seam. Keep a damp paper towel handy in case you have any drips or overspill. Next, we're going to align the piece of trim back on. We're going to make sure everything's aligned perfectly before we put the wood clamps on it. Now that we have it where we want it, we can put the clamps on it. No matter what you're gluing, it's good to put pressure on it. Cure time is a minimum of 30 minutes, but I like to let it go overnight. As long as it's secure and it's exactly where you want it, it'll be like that for all time. This stuff is great for these kind of little